Millwork is not just a craft, it's a legacy. For centuries, artisans have transformed raw wood into breathtaking works of art. Imagine the first craftsman, chiseling away, breathing life into a simple plank. That spark of creativity has fueled generations. Today, the same passion drives modern millworkers to create stunning interiors, intricate moldings, and custom furniture. But the journey of a millworker is not easy. It demands patience, precision, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Each cut, each joint requires skill honed over years of practice. The emotional weight of this work can be immense. Every project carries the hopes and dreams of its creator. The satisfaction of seeing a finished piece, however, makes every struggle worthwhile. Joining this community means stepping into a world where craftsmanship is revered. It means becoming part of a lineage that values hard work, creativity, and dedication. The bond formed with fellow craftsmen is unique, built on shared experiences and challenges. Together, you will push each other to new heights, inspiring one another to master your craft. Embrace the challenge. Dive into the world of millwork, where tradition meets innovation. Discover the joy of creating something beautiful with your own hands. The journey may be tough, but the rewards are profound. Become a master craftsman and leave your mark on history. Welcome to a journey where tradition meets innovation, breathing life into raw materials and transforming them into intricate works of art. The millwork industry stands as a testament to the enduring elegance of craftsmanship, where each piece tells a story of mastery and meticulous attention to detail. In this video, we delve deep into the world of millwright professionals, celebrating their unparalleled skills, and inviting you to be part of this prestigious community. In a world powered by machines, the touch of a human hand imparts a unique soul to every millwork creation. Our craftsman's journey begins with the perfect blend of skills, honed over decades, where precision meets passion. The allure of millwork lies in its ability to transform common timber into extraordinary structures, be it ornate staircases, bespoke cabinetry, or custom moldings. Every curve and joint reflects the artisan's dedication to excellence, echoing through time and space. Here, durability and design coalesce, preserving the legacy of architectural beauty for generations to admire. Behind every majestic structure is a mastermind of design and engineering. Our video showcases the intricate skill set that defines millwork professionals, unseen yet indispensable. Witness the ingenious application of mathematical prowess and visionary creativity as these artisans measure, cut, and assemble the raw into refined. Their deft hands work in harmony with state-of-the-art tools, underscoring the perfect symbiosis of traditional techniques and modern technology. Through patience and perseverance, they carve out spaces that are both functional and aesthetically profound. Joining the millwork community is more than a career choice. It's an invitation to craft a lifetime legacy. As you watch the magic unfold, envision yourself wielding the instruments of innovation and tradition. Whether you're a novice with a burgeoning passion or a seasoned craftsman seeking refinement, the world of millwork awaits you, rich with opportunities to leave your mark. By mastering this esteemed craft, you contribute to a tapestry of artistry that withstands the test of time, while inspiring others to appreciate the grandeur of expertly crafted environments. We extend an earnest invitation to immerse yourself in this evocative art form. As masters of the craft, this is an opportunity to reshape the physical world with elegance and expertise unique to millwork. Let this video serve as your gateway to becoming an integral part of a network that value this strong group of master of the craftsman. Click the bell bottom.